Today I want to show you a gearbox made from plastic and metal bricks, reaching a massive 1 to 625 speed ratio. As you add more gears, the speed increases, but so does the force needed to turn the first gear. At some point, that force becomes too much. The highest ratio I could achieve using only plastic gears was 1 to 125. The moment I tried to push it further, everything started failing. The gears would snap, crack, and completely give out. So I made two upgrades. First, I replaced key components with metal gears so they could handle the stress. Second, I designed a stronger lever to give me more control and more torque. And this is the result, a 1 to 625 gearbox. As I start turning it, you can see how stable it is compared to my previous builds. But at these speeds, friction becomes a serious problem. So I applied lubricant to every gear, reducing resistance and heat. And when I spun it again, everything ran smoothly. Now here's where it gets crazy. Every single rotation of the lever produces 625 rotations at the output. That means if I turn it once per second, the final gear spins at 37,500 RPM. That's faster than tools used by a dentist and getting surprisingly close to turbine-level speeds.
Follow FM Scientia for more.